This basic tutorial today we will learn how to fix. You may not have the necessary permissions to use all the features of the program. So guys, if you see this error or warning, so to resolve and to fix this problem, just right click on that program which you need to install. Like you try to install any program and you are facing this error, so you can fix easily. Just right click on that program. Then here guys, you will see some options. Run as administrator. You will see this option, run as administrator. Just click on it and give the permission. So click on yes. Now check this box and install. So this is the method guys to fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.